chains round my neck.
Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing, or trying to make, well, we are going to do it, but we're going to see how it goes. We're going to be making, so I've been doing some research on how to minimize your waste and zero waste in general. And I'm not saying that I am zero waste at all, because that is not the case. I feel like anything that we do does help. So I want to try this out, and if you guys have noticed on almond milks, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so if you've ever looked at the ingredients on almond milks, they do have a lot of gums in them, and some almond milks actually have gums that irritate your digestive system. So I've seen a couple people do this, and it doesn't look that hard, so we're going to see how it goes today. So what you need is you need raw almonds. I get the unsalted ones. Soak them overnight, or you can leave them up for up to 2 days. And the longer that you do leave your almonds soaking, it will make a creamier almond milk. I had these laying around, so I'm going to put the almond milk in here. So what you're going to need is an oat milk bag, or you can also use a coffee sock. If you guys have heard of a coffee sock, I mean, you guys can look it up. It comes like in a mason jar. It's honestly more sustainable material than these are, but I didn't know about that until after I got these. If you guys hear like breathing and growling and panting over there, it's because the dogs are over there in the back playing, so sorry if you hear that. Alright, so I'm going to take my jar of almonds and I'm going to strain these almonds, and we are going to put these in here. Here's the second jar. Then I'm just going to rinse these. As you guys can see, there's this coming out from under it, and naturally almonds do stain. I think I overdid on how many almonds that I got, but I mean, now I know. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we are going to strain out this almond milk to get all the pulp out. I'm going to put it in here. Like that. And I'm doing this so that it's easier to pour into this after. And we're just going to go ahead and pour this in here. Okay, so this is what it is looking like now. I'm going to just pick this up, and you just... it's gonna make a mess, but as you can see right here, this is all the pulp from the almond milk. And what you guys can do, you can actually use these on salads, but they say to season them and to just throw them in the oven and bake them. So this is what we have left. And I put this in here specifically so that I can pour this easily into here so I don't have any spills. Alright, so this is my almond milk. This is how it came out. I was going to drink it by itself, but I don't drink almond milk by itself, so I feel like there's really no point in doing that. But you can sweeten this up. You can sweeten this up with dates, or you can also sweeten up with honey, agave. You can add some chocolate up in here to make some chocolate almond milk, but I'm just going to leave it like that because I usually just drink my almond milk like that with a cereal or like a smoothie. It is 1 cup of almonds to 2 cups of water, and that will get you 2 cups of almond milk. So if you really think about it, it's how many cups of water you will get of almond milk. I have a lot more almonds, so I'm just going to end this video right now because I'm just going to make the rest of the almonds because I have a lot. And this is just a little something that we can do to minimize our carbon footprint, and I feel like it's super easy. I got my bulk almonds at Sprouts. I know it's hard to find a grocery store that actually sells things in bulk. I actually go to Sprouts in a city that is like cities away from me, but my mom lives over there, so it's perfect. When I go to her house, I'll just go to Sprouts and get my stuff. This is Zeus. This is my brother's dog. And let me know if you guys try this out because it isn't hard at all to and okay, geez, here. This definitely was really easy. I'll definitely like encourage you guys to do this if you guys drink almond milk all the time. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, definitely give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. You come in